Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the LCD in an Acer Chromebook 13 C810. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you might also want to have them handy, as they may be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to carefully pry and remove the front bezel. Now, you will remove the 4 LCD mounting screws. Next, you will pull the LCD down and disconnect the LCD cable from the back of the LCD. Now that the LCD is removed, the first step in the installation of your replacement LCD is to reconnect the LCD cable to the back of the LCD. Next, you will set the LCD into place and replace the 4 LCD mounting screws. The final step will be to snap the front bezel back into place. You have now successfully replaced the LCD in your Acer Chromebook. Nice job!